It's hard to fathom, but Dogecoin, Doge, made headlines in 2021 after a great leap of over 18,000%, rising from $0.004 to 74 cents in the span of just 5 months. Such a miraculous appreciation established Dogecoin as a bullet in the world of cryptocurrency and left early adopters with jaw-dropping fortunes. The development of a unique chart pattern known as the falling wedge pattern, a technical indication historically predicting great upward momentum, was the main force behind this spectacular increase. Now, this same pattern is making headlines again, but it's forming a new contender, Rexas Finance, RXS, a $0.1 to $5 crypto poised to potentially outperform Dogecoin's iconic rally. Decoding the falling wedge pattern. In a bullish chart arrangement, the falling wedge pattern is defined by downward sloping support and resistance lines that converge as the price compresses. The volume usually falls, indicating a likely breakout, while the asset's price movements are down within the wedge. Usually, the pattern sets off a quick and notable upward price movement once the price crosses the upper resistance line. The falling wedge prepared Dogecoin for 2021 by foreshadowing its explosive surge. The trend became clear as Doge solidified following its first successes, setting the stage for a breakthrough. Following Elon Musk's sponsorships and increased social media activity, the wedge was closed, and Dogecoin shot to an all-time high. Currently priced at just $0.1 to $5, the same configuration appears in Rexas Finance, RXS, a revolutionary cryptocurrency in its pre-sale stage. Rexas Finance, RXS, the $0.1 to $5 crypto with massive potential. Investors trying to profit on the next major crypto rise are rapidly turning their attention to Rexas Finance, RXS. Unlike Dogecoin, which began as a meme coin, RXS is backed by a modern infrastructure meant to rethink liquidity and asset management. From real estate to commodities, Rexas Finance enables users to tokenize and exchange actual assets on a distributed network. Currently, RXS is in stage 8 of its pre-sale, priced at $0.1 to $5, and has already raised over $20.14 million. Analysts are drawing parallels between RXS and Dogecoin's trajectory as the rare falling wedge pattern emerges in its price charts. This technical configuration and the rising market for innovative blockchain solutions like RXS prepare the ground for an explosive surge. Rexas Finance, RXS, stands out largely for its CertiK audit certification, greatly increasing investor trust. The platform underlines the audit's key elements, which set RXS apart from many other altcoins on the market: security, openness, and dependability. RXS has also drawn a sizable community through its $1 million giveaway campaign with over 356,000 participants. This initiative offers $50,000 worth of RXS tokens to 20 lucky winners, further driving engagement and adoption. To qualify, participants must hold at least $100 worth of RXS during the pre-sale, complete simple tasks, and refer others for bonus entries. With RXS priced at $0.1 to $5, early investors have a unique opportunity to enter at a ground floor level. Given its projected listing price of 20 cents, pre-sale participants are guaranteed a 2x return upon launch. However, analysts predict that the token could climb far higher, potentially reaching 20,000% gains. The road ahead for Rexas Finance, RXS. As the falling wedge pattern continues to develop, the buzz around Rexas Finance, RXS, is growing. With its pre-sale advancing rapidly and over $20.14 million raised so far, the token is positioned to capture significant market attention. Analysts project a listing price of 20 cents, but with the potential for a breakout, RXS could climb far higher, possibly achieving gains that eclipse even Dogecoin's legendary rally. If the pattern plays out as expected, RXS could turn modest investments into life-changing fortunes. For example, a $500 pre-sale investment could multiply by over $100,000 if the token hits its anticipated highs.